How to move or drag layers up or down in Alight Motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can move or drag layers up or down in Alight Motion. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Alight Motion, then open up a project where you have different layers. So for example, I have this project with all 3 different layers. Now to move these layers up and down, you have to tap on the right side of the layer. If you tap in the middle of the layer, then you could move this layer backward and forward. Now to drag these layers up and down, tap on the right corner of this layer and then you have to press and hold. Now you could see this shadow on the layer. Now once you see this shadow, if you drag this layer, now you'll be able to drag this layer up and down and place it wherever you like. So you can repeat the same with others layer as well. So that's it. That's how you can drag layers up or down in Alight Motion, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.